In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account on Indeed. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right in. Indeed is a powerful job searching platform that can help you find job opportunities that align with your career goals. Having an account on Indeed is essentially your first step to fully utilizing its features, including applying to jobs, saving listings, and setting up job alerts tailored just for you. To begin the process, grab your computer or mobile device and open up your internet browser. In the search bar, type in Indeed and hit enter. You should see Indeed's official site pop up as one of the top results. Click on that to go right to the homepage. Once you land on the Indeed homepage, look for the Sign In option, typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on that and you will see a button that says Create an Account. This is your gateway to starting the account setup, so go ahead and select that. Next, you'll be prompted to enter some basic information. The first section will usually ask for your email address. Make sure to use an email you check regularly, as Indeed will send important notifications to this address. After entering your email, you will need to create a password. It's a good idea to choose something secure but also memorable for you. Once you've done that, just double-check that both fields are filled correctly, and then hit the Continue button. At this point, you might see options inviting you to upload your resume. While it's not mandatory right away, I highly recommend doing so. Having your resume on file makes applying to jobs much easier and faster. If you have a resume ready, follow the prompts to upload it. You can often drag and drop your file or browse your computer to find it. If you chose not to upload a resume, or if you're just starting from scratch, Indeed will guide you through creating a resume on their platform. This involves filling out sections such as your work experience, education, and skills. Don't worry if you're not finished right away. You can always come back and update it later. Once your resume is either uploaded or created, the next step will typically include some preferences about the types of jobs you're looking for. This is where you can really customize your job search. Fill in details like the job titles you're interested in, your preferred location, and your desired salary range. This information helps Indeed suggest the best job listings for you. After that, you might be presented with the option to set up job alerts. I strongly recommend taking advantage of this feature. It allows you to receive notifications whenever a new job that matches your criteria is posted. You can adjust your alert settings as needed, so don't worry about locking yourself into anything. Finally, once you've completed these steps, just take a moment to review everything one last time. Make sure your information is accurate and that you feel good about your preferences. When you're ready, go ahead and submit your information, and voila, you're all set. Congratulations, you now have an Indeed account. You can start browsing jobs, applying, and managing your career all in one place. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips on job searching and career development. Happy job hunting!